Hey there, Notion enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for making your productivity tools work for you. Today, we're tackling something super simple yet transformative: how to change the background color in Notion for 2025. Whether you're aiming to create a more visually appealing workspace, reduce eye strain, or just add a personal touch, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Notion account and have the page open that you want to customize. Notion's interface is intuitive, but we'll walk through it step by step to avoid any confusion. Start by clicking on the three-dot menu icon at the top right corner of your page. This opens up a drop-down with various options. Go ahead and select Page Settings or Properties, depending on your version. Once you're in the settings, look for the Appearance or Theme section. In Notion 2025, they've made this even easier with updated UI elements. You'll see options for background color, cover images, and more. Click on the background color dropdown. It's usually represented by a color palette icon. Here, you can choose from a range of preset colors or even use the custom color picker for something more unique. Don't forget to hit Save or Apply to make your changes stick. Pro tip: if you're working with databases or blocks, you might need to adjust the background at the block level. Just select the block, go to its properties, and tweak the settings there. This is great for creating visually distinct sections in your notes. Also, keep in mind that changing backgrounds can affect readability, so pick colors that contrast well with your text. And just like that, you've personalized your Notion space. It's these small changes that can make a big difference in your daily workflow. If you run into any issues, double-check your account settings or update the app to the latest version. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more Notion hacks and productivity tips. See you in the next video.